Hey everybody, Krista. I have a huge Dollar Tree haul to share with you. Um, so I think it's best we just get started on this. So I did buy a couple of little bunny treats for Easter. These ones are Jello jelly beans. I don't know how good they are, but if anybody's tried them, let me know. So there's those. I got 3 packs of these little lights because I want to make a lighted garland with them. And, you get 6 little bulbs in here, and it is, I believe, can't remember if they tell you how long it is or not. Nope, doesn't tell you how long it is. But I have 3 of them so that I can make a lighted string garland. So had to get a new pair of scissors because my other ones, I dropped them and they broke and they wouldn't go back together. So go figure. I found this paper. Now it's expensive, but I like the back, and I already have some of these already. And of course this one got a little scuffed up in the bag, but I like this. I really want this side. This side's nice too. Be good for using as journaling cards if I want a double-sided one. The other thing I got is from this, what is this called? One Canoe 2 Globe Gallery. So basically these are little push pins that don't have the pins on them. So this would have come in helpful the other day with my my tray that I turned into a nice little picture, like a shadow box kind of thing. And my DIY video, because I wouldn't have had to push the pin through the backing of it, and I could have just hot glued it. So that would have been handy. I also found from this One Canoe 2 Globe Gallery is Hello. It is a vinyl expression, so it is vinyl, and I'm hoping to use it in a DIY. I'm not going to put it on a globe because that's just not right. I got some stickers. Just gonna put them a little bit in order here for you. So I got these ones, which look like steampunk, and they're metallic looking. I really like this. I also found these roses, and I found, well, teacups. I find that because it's steampunk is like Victorian as well as mechanical stuff, these actually fit in nicely with steampunk as well. So, and I have these ones. I got 2 of these. I could only find 1 of these. Love the cathedral window here. So cute. And these ones are, I'm not sure if these are new, but I like the little sentiments on them. I like using these kinds of things like this on my embellishments, because trying to find like little sticker words and stuff, it's kind of hard to find those things. You can't just, or they're super expensive, like the Tim Holtz ones. They're really expensive. I got a little picture hanging kit, because I need those occasionally. These, I can't find the clips that I used to use. They were very strong and they could hold my hair back out of the way, but because all the other ones that are there, the plastics are too thin and they don't clip hard enough, or they're too small, and my hair just falls. They just snap in my hair anyway. So those ones seem to be better and stronger. I already have 1 package open, so we'll see. I found these cute little boards, these cutting boards. Well, that's what I call them, cutting boards. They were at I had never seen these before, so these are brand new to my store, which was really cool to find some things that were new. So I'm gonna make a few little DIY things with these, and hang them up and use them as decor. So there's those. I also came across this sign thing with blanks on them. Now this is one of the things that I liked, was the fact that it had little signs, and I can take these apart, and when I want to put a sentiment, say on this board here, it will fit. So, you know, I can have a sentiment that's going across, which is really great. I can use them for different, you know, just rip them up and use them as more DIY stuff, which was excellent. And then I found this one as well, which comes apart, gives me a little flat board that I can use. I can put whatever I want, more like a stickers, words, or marker, or paint it on. I like that. I really like that idea. So now we're going to get into all the rest of the stuff. So I bought these ivy vine garlands. I have a Michaels dupe that I want to do, and I will be using the items from Dollar Tree to do my dupe. I think it's really fun, but stay tuned for that video because it'll be coming up shortly after this one. I did buy some ribbon, like the blue, this blue ribbon. I can't remember if it has, this one only has 3 yards, which is crazy because I bought another one from them, and I don't know, maybe Dollar Tree is going bigger, because I found this one and it has 9 yards on it. So maybe they're starting to put more ribbon on there, but for $1.50 for 9 feet of ribbon, then that's really great compared to 3 yards. So anyways, hopefully that'll work out. I did find some material, some with macaroons on them, and then ones with unicorn roses and stuff. I am making Princess Fairyland book for one of my nieces, so this will be coming in handy for the covers. I found these 2 little blind boxes at Dollar Tree. They were the only ones left. Really cute. They're just like as if they're in a puppy. It's a puppy house. I guess there's candy in here, but there's also a little puppy in there as well. So I like these things. I'm hoping I can get the dachshund. Of course. I also picked up some of these carrots, and Dollar Tree is really good lately. I mean, Michael's had almost the exact same carrots at their store, but for one, or a little bunch of 3 that were smaller than this, were $12.99, and it's like, I don't think so. So I picked up these ones for $1.50 for 2 of them. That's a pretty good deal. I'm just gonna slide these in. I found these flowers, like the hanging flowers, at Dollar Tree as well. So I picked up a couple because I have, like I said, I want to do some, make some fairy crown items and stuff, and these will come in perfectly handy. I only managed to find one of the off-white, and only one of the lighter purple. So that's what I have. I'm going to put those over here instead of on the table. I found this sign, which is a cute little bunny butt. I also have a DIY that I did, a video that I'm going to post soon, of a cute little bunny butt DIY that I did. Now I picked up a purple, a blue, a pink, and a green, and one says hello spring. Spring is here. The other ones, the pink and the green, say fresh flowers and stuff like this. I'm not going to show you them all because they basically are the same. They're just a different shade. And I picked up a couple more bunny butts. I love these. I think these are so cute. And I did see another dupe that I will be doing from Michaels, which has to do with these. People probably seen that at Michaels, and I love these socks. These fluffy socks from Dollar Tree. I think they're comfy. They're kind of like slippers to me. I don't wear socks or shoes that often, but occasionally, you know, it gets cold here. Imagine that. And I do put those on. So I also picked up a couple packages of these to send out some fun friend mail in. These are cute. I actually was out of town. I went to a Dollar Tree and found these there. So I went to a totally different Dollar Tree and I found these. They weren't even in the Dollar Trees that I would go to that are close to home. So that's pretty bad. And then I found these. Again, they're little Easter egg picks, but you know, I always rip the picks off. And I'm going to use these in another DIY as well. So I got pink, green, purple, and blue. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the pink and the purple and the blue because they're exactly the same, but they have twine wrapped around the foam egg. And I found these really cool things. I make balloon columns and balloon arches and stuff. And I can make these without this little attachment that's in here. But this little attachment actually makes it so much easier. And you can attach all 6 balloons to here. And I mean, I have done it just by tying the balloons together by the knots and stuff. But if I can make a flower balloon with these things, awesome. And the best part is they're only $1.50 and you get 10 of them. I took all the ones that they had because these are too cool by far. And I'm hoping I can find some more because I would love to keep a stock of these things in there and make more. When I make arches and balloons and stuff, I can add a decorative flower in there as well. So I thought that was pretty cool. I picked up another one of these signs because I'm going to be using this in my dupe that I'm doing. And this was the last one they had. I love this bunny because it's just the right size for using. And I used one in my other video there. So I got that one. I bought this. Oops. Now we're getting too much stuff on the table again because I can't show you what I got. Let's just take those off. I got this. And it's a little sign, but it's like one of those, I don't even know what kind of, it's like one of those windows that you'd have in like churches, stained glass windows and stuff, right? And it has this welcome on the sign on here. I will be using one of these also in my Michael's dupe. So, this comes off. I mean, it probably won't come off nicely, but it's okay. I don't really want the welcome on here. And I'll just clean it up. So I use it. So I got this one, which was wood, but they also had it in white, but then the word on it is believe instead. No, blessed. Sorry, blessed on here. And it has like the whitewashed look of wood. So I got 2 of each. I'm not sure which one I'm going to be using for my dupe. We'll see when that happens. I also picked up these because, like I said, you saw in my other haul there from Dollarama, I had the baskets, but yes, they are for adults, but they still like to have a little bit of candy inside their Easter baskets. So, and this one actually had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It had just enough for the kids' baskets. Well, so, which is great because all the other ones I saw only carried 4, and I was like, oh, I want 5 different ones. So this was really a lucky find. My hubby doesn't need to have eggs in his, but I would like this one for my kids' baskets because I think they'd enjoy it a lot more. Anyways, that is, I believe, everything I have to show you. Yep, that is everything. That's my Dollar Tree haul. Like I said, stick around for the DIY projects that I did. I'll be sharing those shortly. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And let's all get crafty. Bye-bye.